In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can create a WhatsApp channel. You can simply create channels on WhatsApp in just few simple steps. To do this, simply open up your WhatsApp. On the status page, tap on this plus icon just right here. Then select the option of Create Channel. Press Continue. Choose any channel name. Add a simple and precise description. Then tap on the Edit button right here and add a channel profile picture. Then press on Create Channel. Your channel will get created successfully and you can share anything with your community as long as it doesn't violate the terms of service on WhatsApp. That's how easy it is to create a WhatsApp channel. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.